So today I'll be showing you how I made Amapiano beat. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe and like and hit the notification button and comment if you think it's good. Dango. So first I added multiple layers of drums. Then I add a grand piano chord progression. Then I add a cappella, then I make it short. Then I add a log drum. Then I add one last log drum to boost the other one. If you watch till the end, man, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button and like and comment. Subscribe. Down.